Healthy, breadless burgers. Easy, step-by-step instructions. For me, cooking with wooden fire is always the best. The flames creates a sociable and pleasant atmosphere with family and friends, doesn't it? Ingredients. Good quality meat or veg patties. 2 big lettuce leaves. Sliced tomato. Sliced onion. Sliced cucumber. Avocado. Grated cheese. Cream cheese or chip dip. Salad dressing. Chili or other sauces. Salt, pepper, and other spices of choice. Firstly, get the patties going. Open flame grilled ones tastes the best to me for sure. But I got this barbecue sheet as a present and just had to try it out. It worked quite well, I have to say, keeping the meat together, making turning easy, and also keeps your grill clean. Make sure to season your patty with your favorite spices if necessary. Make sure you have big solid lettuce leaves. Iceberg lettuce works the best, but any big whole leaves will do. First, pack tomatoes and season with salt and pepper to taste. Then some sliced onion on top of the tomato and drape some of your favorite salad dressing over. Place your grated cheese of choice on top and season with other herbs and spices. In this case, I used aged white cheddar. You can use any other cheese you like as long as there are lots of it if you are like me. Next is the meat, or veg patty if you prefer, straight off the grill to melt the cheese. Put your favorite cream cheese or chip dip on top. Next, place the cucumber and some more onion slices, adding gherkin slices also work very well. Drape with some chili or your other favorite sauce. Last is the avocado slices with coarse salt and pepper to taste. Now we are done with the packing. Use your imagination and try other toppings. Gently fold the lettuce up and over. Use toothpicks to keep in place if necessary. Take second lettuce leaf, place on top and turn around. Fold new leaf up and over and use toothpicks to keep in place if necessary. And now we are ready to eat. Remember, real burger people only eat burgers with their hands. It shouldn't be too messy if your folding was done right. Enjoy eating this delicious and healthy burger. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments once you have tried this.